Your brain is full. Here's how I emptied mine and built a smarter one for free in 30 minutes. I spend hours every week trying to remember things I already know. Articles I read, ideas I had, tools I found. It's exhausting. So I stopped relying on my brain and built a second one powered by AI, completely free. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, right now. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Every week I show you exactly how to use AI to work smarter and make more money. Now let's build your second brain. A second brain is just a system that captures everything important so your actual brain doesn't have to. Notes, bookmarks, ideas, research all organized and searchable. The old way was Notion or Evernote. The new way is AI-powered. Your second brain doesn't just store information, it thinks with you. It connects dots, summarizes documents, answers questions from your own notes. I'm going to show you the exact free stack I use. Here's the part most people get wrong, and it's why their second brain dies in week 1. Here's the full stack. Tool number 1, NotebookLM by Google. It's free, it reads your documents, and it answers questions from them like a personal AI researcher. Tool number 2, Obsidian, free note-taking with local storage so nothing is locked behind a paywall. Tool number 3, ChatGPT free tier for drafting, summarizing, and brainstorming inside your notes. Tool number 4, Readwise Reader, free tier captures articles, newsletters, and PDFs and highlights them automatically. That's it. 4 tools, $0. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new notebook. Now here's where it gets powerful. Upload any PDF, paste any article link, or connect your Google Docs. I uploaded my last 3 months of notes and research in under 5 minutes. Now I can ask it questions like what were my best ideas about monetization, and it pulls exact answers from my own documents. This alone is worth 10 minutes of your time. I asked it a question that would have taken me an hour to answer manually. It responded in 4 seconds. I'll show you. Download Obsidian free at obsidian.md. Create a vault, that's just a folder on your computer. Now every idea, every note, every piece of research goes here in plain text files. The secret is linking them. When you write a note about AI tools, you link it to your note about income ideas. Over time you build a personal knowledge map. The graph view shows you how your ideas connect, and it's actually incredible to see. Add the templater plugin and you can auto-generate structured note templates in 1 click. Here's the workflow that makes it stick. When you read something useful, save it to Readwise Reader. At the end of the day, your highlights sync to Obsidian automatically with the Readwise plugin. Boom, everything you consumed is now in your second brain, searchable, linked, and ready to use. No more, I know I read this somewhere. It's all there. This is the moment where most productivity systems fail, and here's how to make sure yours doesn't. The mistake people make is trying to capture everything. Don't. Only save things you'll actually use. If you read something interesting, ask yourself, will I ever need this again? If yes, save it. If no, let it go. Second rule, review your notes once a week for 10 minutes. Ask NotebookLM to summarize what you captured. You'll be shocked how much you already know that you forgot you knew. Here's the move most people miss. Once your Obsidian Vault has a few hundred notes, export sections to NotebookLM and start asking complex questions. What patterns do I see in my income ideas? Which tools appear most in my notes? Your second brain becomes a research partner. And it's all built on free tools that take 30 minutes to set up. You just learned exactly how to build a free AI second brain in 30 minutes. NotebookLM, Obsidian, ChatGPT free tier, and Readwise. 4 tools. $0. Drop a comment below, what's the first thing you're going to upload to your second brain? I read every one. Follow for more. Everything is at TheNewMind.pplx.app.